We're talking today about the idle control valve out of a 2002 Ford F350 crew cab long bed 4x4. It is a V10 and I've been having issues with it stumbling once I let off of the fuel, and we fixed that today, and I really am excited about it because it was a pain in the butt to have it going vibrating as I'm going up hills or any of that type of stuff, because my little one in the back seat in her little car seat was going as I was going up hills, and nothing can be more annoying than that, because she is technically making fun of me for my truck even though she doesn't even know it. Let's get this thing fixed. Let's get it started. Thank you for our sponsors today, Thank you for our sponsors. Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri, where they do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. We're also sponsored by Finley River Towing in Ozark and Branson areas. So if you're in the Springfield area, all the way down to Harrison, Arkansas, go ahead, give Finley River Towing a call. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Okay. Do you have this issue? You get up to a certain RPM. Does it stumble on you? There, see it? See if we can get up again. Right there. There it is. We're looking at this from the back. And the reason why we're looking at this from the back is, for one, I have a extra motor, and two, you can see how it's done. Now, yeah, I got this back here, and I was able to break it from back here, and where I was able to keep on doing it. Now, on the bottom, I used a ratchet with an 8mm and was able to break it, and then once I broke it, I just ran this and just was able to turn this, because the ratchet was really hard to get back in here. Now, an easy step here is to take this hose off the back. That way you have a little bit more room with your ratchet. Now, looking at this from the front of the motor, looks like it's going to be easier to get to it from this side. That being it right there. But no, it's easier to get it through the driver's side by putting your hand in through here. Okay, here's the difference between the two. The one on the right is the one I just pulled out. Try to get you some good light in there. The one on the left, I've cleaned up some and cleaned up a little bit more, but that's the one I just pulled out of the truck. There is some huge globs. Okay, cleaning this, you want to try to stay away from anything up here. This is all your electrical here. You don't want to mess with any of that. So you're going to be spraying down in here, keeping this end up. And you just got to... I'm going to let that sit in there for a while. Remember, you don't want to tip this thing upside down. I'm using carb cleaner on this. Make sure to read what specifications you can use on yours. If this doesn't work, I'm just buying a new one anyway. Okay, you're going to have to do this a lot. But let me show you how bad that is. That's just one thing, just as you saw it. We'll see it again. Clean. Disaster. Do it quite a bit. Blow it all out. I'm going to take it on a test drive. Seems like it's running at a few less RPMs. My check engine light's on for a vehicle speed sensor issue. Try to get that fixed soon too. It'll be on the channel. My main problem is right up around 40, 45 deceleration. Okay. It's usually about right now, and then I'll let off the gas just a little bit. And unless I slam back on the gas like this, it will hesitate, and it is not hesitating. The gas pedal has a lot better response because it was hesitating so much. I'm really happy with this. It wasn't fun, but I will tell you we fixed it today. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. Comment down below. Have you had this issue with your truck? And have you fixed it? Thank you all for watching once again. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. It's cold. Merry Christmas to y'all.